It's given biscuit, but I trusted. That's why you can't trust TikTok. You cannot trust TikTok. So today we had our first real snow, and it's coming down crazy.
Oh, doesn't even phase it.
Marley, it's snowing. What is it out here, Marley? Marley, what is that? So I've been seeing this go around TikTok where you turn Grand's biscuits into donuts with an air fryer. So I'm gonna try it. Basically, I just have to cut circles in the biscuit doughs, and then you save the circles to make like little munchkins. So yeah, let's see. So I tried cutting these as best as I can, and these are the little leftovers. They say to put this in at the end, and yeah, it's 6 minutes at 360 on an air fryer. To be honest, I've never used this air fryer, so let's see. I'm not really sure how an air fryer is supposed to work. You don't put oil or anything, I guess. I don't know. So I'm not even sure how I'm going to open it and flip it halfway through. It says to flip them. So yeah. I know how. I'm going to flip them with tongs, but I don't know, like, if you could just open this thing. All right. Okay, so I have them in there like that. This thing has like a safety. So I guess I just go ahead and press start. Oh, you could see inside. I didn't know that. So in 3 minutes, we're gonna flip them. And in 6 minutes, we're gonna have them done, period. I don't know, they smell like biscuits, to be honest. TBH. These are gonna taste bad, I can tell. So then I'm gonna throw these little things in. I'm gonna put these for 6 minutes and not flip them because that's how I feel. Okay, so it says to brush melted butter on and then sprinkle it with cinnamon. I don't have a brush, so I'm just gonna drizzle it over. I'm gonna speed this up, and then I'm gonna taste them. It's hot. Hot or nasty?
It's hot. But it's good. It's good. It's just cinnamon. I ain't like cinnamon. It tastes good.
Does it taste like a donut or a biscuit?
Yeah, like a donut.
I'm glad I caught that on camera. I dead hate him. Don't try this recipe at home. I mean, if you got some tips, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It tastes like biscuits, but nastier.
Raw.
Yeah, like raw biscuit. And then with mad cinnamon on top. I mean, it was giving biscuit vibes. It's giving biscuit. But I trusted. That's why you can't trust TikTok. You cannot trust. So the last time I saw you guys, it had just started snowing. This is what 12 plus inches of snow looks like. So, yeah. It really snowed. So. So we're here in the city. I'm waiting in the car. That's what you hear, the hazard sign. I mean, the hazard noise. If you're not from New York, never been to New York, especially in the snow, you need to bring a person with you if you're driving into the city so they can sit in the car double park. That's just period in New York. That's like New York way of life. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. I actually have to go into the beauty supply store. I don't know. I'm gonna bring you guys in there because I like going to the hood beauty supply stores. Yeah, so yesterday I didn't vlog. I didn't really do anything except like shovel, clean up and stuff like that. Tomorrow, it's Friday right now, Friday, December 18th. So 10 days till my birthday, 7 days till Christmas. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Hopefully y'all could not hear that music that was just in the background. Yeah. So tomorrow we're doing pictures with Santa at my mom's dog store again. I was gonna bring you guys along last time, but I just ended up being a bad vlogger. So that was that. But I will bring you guys along tomorrow. But I am gonna try to upload. You'll see this upload tomorrow, and then tomorrow's vlog will be up Sunday. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into the beauty supply store. I have to get hair color just to kind of touch up my roots at home. Maybe I'll do a little bit of like a maintenance vlog for Vlogmas because I do have to tint my eyebrows tonight. Yeah, I don't know why I would do extractions on my face and then I have these big pimple marks on both sides of my chin. So yeah. My husband is sending me videos of sunglasses. He's in the store right now, so he's sending me videos of, I think those are Versace's. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything else today because my husband is super exhausted from shoveling all day yesterday and today. So he's back, as you can see. And yeah, quickly. So I went into the beauty supply, y'all. Let me tell you about this. I'm not used to shopping in New York. I'm not used to shopping in New York. So I went into the beauty supply store and they ended up having my colors. So I bought a bunch of them or whatever. I can show you guys. Y'all see all these cops passing on my side? That's New York for you. Yeah, so I use the L'Oreal Mega Browns, and I use it in B2, which is the caramel. And for some reason, it's always out of stock online. It's always sold out in the beauty supply stores. So since I was in the store and they had it, I was like, let me buy all 4. And I bought some developer. But tell me how, right? Now, mind you, I have my purse with me. I just went in the store with just my purse. So I put all the stuff on the counter. You saw how big that developer bottle was, right? I put all the stuff on the counter, and the man is like, would you like a bag? So I'm like, duh, like, yeah. He charged me a whole 50 cents for that brown paper bag. Came out into the car, my husband's like, why wouldn't you just carry it out? I mean, it was only 50 cents, but it was like the point. Like, is that the new thing we're doing now? Like, I mean, I know it technically is to stop the recycling problems, to save the sea turtles, I think. Yeah, to save the sea turtle. We're gonna head back home to Jersey. I think we got everything accomplished that we needed to get accomplished. Yeah, we're double parked, so I just keep looking because I showed you guys. I don't know if you guys could see all the cop cars. Follow my finger. All the cops passing. I don't know why, but anyways, so yeah, I'm trying to place a mobile order for some lunch so I could just run in and pick it up when we're on our way home, so I don't have to wait and order it or whatever. At home I have a lot to do today still, so I definitely want to get this vlog up today, but I also want it to kind of be interesting. I don't know, Vlogmas, I'll be honest, is just, it's a lot more than I bargained for. It really is. It's a lot more than I bargained for. I think it's probably also because of COVID, so I'm not doing the normal things that I would do this time of year. Yeah, so I don't know. I just didn't want this to be a short vlog. I'm not ending the vlog here, but I don't really know what else we're gonna do today. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna take you, I'm definitely gonna bring you guys along for the dog pictures with Santa this time. And then, yeah, what else do I have to do? So I know I made it seem like I was ordering some fancy lunch to pick up. Never. Wendy's. So literally, my husband shoveled this whole driveway yesterday and our sidewalks. That's why he's complaining his body hurts. But yeah, it was a lot of snow. It was way more snow than we really thought was gonna